हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू S2S क्लासेस। आज हम +2 के लिए सिलेबस आगे कर रहे हैं। इसमें हमारा चैप्टर 6 एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव इज गोइंग ऑन दिस चैप्टर कंसेप्ट इंक्रीजिंग एंड डिक्रीजिंग एक्सरसाइज 6.2 इज गोइंग ऑन, others completed. Now 6.2 also today will complete increasing decreasing. In this last questions, question 15 to 19 in NCERT book we have to do exercise 6.2. Okay, now question 15 is, what is question 15 in NCERT book? It is, let I be any interval disjoint from closed interval -1 to 1 closed disjoint to this. Disjoint set we know. What is the disjoint set? Which two sets does not have any common element? Okay, now it means disjoint of -1 closed, that will be -infinity to -1 open interval, union greater than 1, yani from 1 to infinite. Okay, because here it is closed, 1 included here, -1 included here, so here open interval 1 and open interval -1 to -infinity. Okay, so this union we have to prove कि on I interval, on this interval, this function f(x) is increasing function. So means we have to find the interval, okay, or take increasing, or you can take this interval I, and on this you, so that this derivative of this function is positive. Okay, any one method you can apply. Okay, now here I am taking derivative f(x), f dash x. Find derivative with respect to x. Okay beta, then this, what is derivative of x? 1. What is derivative of 1 upon x? X will go up power -1, then exponential formula, power formula, x power n, तो -1, x power -1 and -1, तो -1 -2, तो -1 into x power -2, तो -1 direct I am writing, and x power -2 I am writing in denominator x power 2. Understand this, derivative of 1 upon x is -1 upon x square. You know that. Okay, now this is increasing. Prove that this is increasing on this I. I is this. Okay, so I am taking this greater than equal to 0 for increasing and finding interval. Okay beta, for increasing we know that derivative must be greater than equal to 0 for increasing function. Okay, so now we have to find value of x now on this. So this implies put equal to 0 this, so 1 minus 1 upon x square is equal to 0. Factorize this. This implies 1 upon x square. 1 upon x square will go that side. This is equal to 1. Okay, then what should be x? देखो, x may be any real number here but should not be 0. तो 0 तो नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है, नंबर 1. नंबर 2, x square is equal to 1. From here, what is there? This is x square value equal to 1. X square is equal to 1. Then x is equal to plus minus 1. These two value x. Then disjoint interval. Disjoint interval we have to make, and x should not be 0. Okay? X should not be 0. Then this plus minus 1. So interval we can make disjoint interval. 3 intervals are there. Disjoint interval. Disjoint interval intervals. What are disjoint interval according to x is equal to plus minus 1? One is minus infinity to minus 1, other minus 1 to 1, and third 1 to infinity. These are the three disjoint interval. Okay? Now you have to see at minus 1 to 1 it is not greater than 0. You can check here in the derivative. If you are putting here x value between minus 1 to 1, minus 1 upon 2 if you are putting, okay, minus 1 to 1, so here it is less than, it is negative. Okay, so we can say here on the number line you can check these 3 points. What are they? 1 minus 1, 2 points are there, 3 interval, minus 1 and 1. So this side is positive. On this 1 greater than 1 if you are putting here, greater than 1 means if you are putting here 2, so 1 upon 2 square 4, so 1 upon 4, 1 minus 1 upon 4 greater than 0, so increasing, here increasing. And on this interval minus 1 to 1 if you are putting 0 here, so 1 upon 0 not defined. Okay, if you are putting any other, if you are putting exact 1, so 1 minus 1 it is 0. Okay, so now here it is decreasing between this minus 1 to 1. Okay, after that if you are taking here less than minus 1 value, minus 2 if you put here minus 2 square 4, 1 upon 4, 1 minus 1 upon 4 is greater than 0, so positive, derivative is positive on these two interval. Okay, so in these two interval it is increasing, so we have to say increasing interval are minus infinity to minus 1 union on this increasing, means this is 1 to infinity. You can check any value if you put here in the derivative, greater than 1, okay, and less than minus 1. On both this derivative is greater than 0, so we can say this, hence prove that this is increasing interval I. So I belongs to this set minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. This answer, hence proved. So like this we can prove. ठीक है बेटा, clear? Now next question. Question number 16 in NCERT book. Question number 16. Prove that the function f given by fx is equal to log sin x is increasing on 0 to pi by 2 and decreasing on pi by 2 to pi. In second quadrant decreasing, in first quadrant increasing. We have to prove the function fx log sin x. So question number 16. fx is equal to log sin x. Log of sin x. This. Now derivative of this, we have to prove this is increasing in first quadrant. To prove, we can write what we have to prove, beta. fx is increasing on 0 to pi by 2 and decreasing. We have to prove that this function is decreasing on interval pi by 2 to pi and in second quadrant. Okay, now it is function log function. So differentiate log of x, formula derivative 1 upon x, but x is here sin x. So 1 upon sin x into chain rule, derivative of sin x cos x. Okay beta, this. Now prove this. In proof, first principle of derivative we are using, first derivative test. So now this is your derivative. So derivative is your cos x upon sin x, means cot x. This is your cot x. Understand? Cot x positive, all positive in first quadrant. So we can say cot x value, this is greater than equal 0. Okay, pi by 2, cot pi by 2 पर 0 है, cot 0 इनफाइनाइट है, तो 0 तो यहाँ है नहीं ना, pi by 2 है. तो we know this is increasing function. It is greater than 0 for every value of x belongs to 0 to pi by 2. First quadrant, we know in first quadrant cot x is positive, all positive. So this implies derivative greater than 0, so increasing. So fx is increasing. So fx is increasing. Okay, it is clear. In first quadrant derivative greater than 0, so it is increasing on 0 to pi by 2. Done. One part Second part, in second quadrant. In second quadrant, we have to check derivative is कोटेक्स. तो कोटेक्स हमें पता है सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में कोटेक्स इज लेस देन 0. नेगेटिव होता है कोटेक्स बिकॉज साइन का रेसिप्रोकल कोसेक आर पॉजिटिव इन सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट. सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट मीन्स पाई बाई 2 to pi. वी नो सो दैट कोटेक्स इज नेगेटिव. तो दिस इज नेगेटिव फॉर एवरी as cortex is less than 0 for every x belongs to second quadrant means pi by 2 comma pi. This we know this. Okay, so this implies fx is okay beta, fx is decreasing, fx is decreasing on pi by 2 to pi. Clear? You know that. ठीक है बेटा. भाई ये किस पर 0 है? पाई बाई 2 पर 0 है. तो पाई बाई 2 से इंटरवल बन गया, एक 0 टू पाई बाई 2, दूसरा पाई बाई 2 टू पाई. दो इंटरवल. तो इनमें एक इंटरवल फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट हो गया, एक सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट. तो डन. Hence proved this. Done. Now next. Question number 17. Question number 17 in NCERT book. 17 is prove that the function, okay beta, prove that the function f given by fx is equal to log modulus cos x. Question number 17. fx is equal to log of modulus cos x. Modulus cos x means ये पॉजिटिव चाहिए cos x. cos x पॉजिटिव, इसका मीनिंग modulus cos x means पॉजिटिव पावर, पॉजिटिव वैल्यू means 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. Okay beta, this must be there. Then for this if you take derivative, but what we have to prove that this function is decreasing on first and increasing on the 3 by 2 to 2 pi. Okay, prove that fx is decreasing in first quadrant. ओके, ये प्रूव करना है कि दिस फंक्शन इज डिक्रीजिंग ऑन 0 to pi by 2 and in first quadrant we have to prove it is decreasing and is increasing and increasing on 3 pi by 2 3 पाई बाई 2 मीन्स 270 डिग्री, यानी इन थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट 3 पाई बाई 2 to 2 pi. In fourth quadrant, this is the fourth quadrant. Okay, now you see here, differentiate proof of this. How can prove this? Take derivative first. So differentiate it with respect to x, then f dash x log function 1 अपॉन समथिंग. अब समथिंग क्या है? मॉडुलस ऑफ एक्स है, मॉडुलस ऑफ कोस एक्स, सॉरी, मॉडुलस ऑफ कोस एक्स इनटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ मॉडुलस कोस एक्स. Modulus means it is positive. X is in which quadrant? Cos x will positive, first quadrant, and cos x is positive here. Where is the cos x positive? In first and in the fourth. So we have to say कि cos x यहाँ कहना है कि मोड cos x means this implies positive cos x. Positive cos x means this implies x कहाँ कहाँ मिलेगा जब ये पॉजिटिव हो, cos x पॉजिटिव, तो x बिलोंग्स टू फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट 0 to pi by 2 and x belongs to फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट. चूँकि सेकेंड एंड थर्ड में कोस पॉजिटिव नहीं होता, वहाँ नेगेटिव होता है, तो पॉजिटिव इन फर्स्ट एंड फोर्थ. तो दिस वी नाउ, तो दिस इज इन फोर्थ मीन्स 3 पाई बाई 2 to 2 pi, fourth quadrant in this cos x positive. So we have to check in this and into derivative of this, derivative of cos x minus sin x. माइनस cos x डेरिवेटिव माइनस साइन x एंड इंटू मॉडुलस है, तो मॉडुलस का इट मीन्स ये पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए. ओके, सो देन मॉडुलस of this, then means it is means हाँ जी, it is and this is negative, so we can say minus sin x upon cos x. Tan x. So this will be, then you check, say this is equal to 0 in first quadrant, it is decreasing tan x, बिकॉज यहाँ पर ये नेगेटिव मिलेगा, नेगेटिव बनेगा, क्योंकि ये फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में नेगेटिव है, तो दिस इज माइनस tan x. ओके, सो दिस इज लेस देन 0 फॉर एवरी x belongs to first quadrant 0 to pi by 2. Okay, after that this implies or and fourth quadrant minus 10x. 10x is negative and minus 10x will be positive. 10x is negative because cos and sec positive in the fourth quadrant. So 10x is, so we can say minus 10x is greater than 0 for every x belongs to 3 pi by 2 fourth quadrant to 2 pi. फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में 10x जो है वो नेगेटिव होता है बट माइनस 10x पॉजिटिव हो गया बिकॉज दिस डेरिवेटिव इज माइनस 10x. एज इन फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट आल्सो 10x इज पॉजिटिव बट माइनस 10x नेगेटिव. अब नेगेटिव मीन्स डिक्रीजिंग. If derivative less than 0 then decreasing. So in first quadrant it is decreasing and minus 10x is positive because 10x is negative in fourth quadrant. So minus 10x is positive, then it is increasing. So we can say this implies fx is increasing, fx is डिक्रीजिंग हो गया फर्स्ट में, इज डिक्रीजिंग. ओके, इससे क्लियर हो गया, हमने इंटरवल निकाल दिया. डिक्रीजिंग ऑन 0 to pi by 2 and increasing on यानी इन फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. In this fourth quadrant it is increasing because it is minus 10x derivative. Okay beta, clear? Now be careful like this, you can do. Now next question we have to do question number 18. What is question 18? Yes. Now this question 18 is in NCERT book. Prove that the function given by fx is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 100 is increasing in R. Very simple. The interval in which y19 is option question. So first 18 we have to do. fx is equal to क्यूबिक फंक्शन इज गिवन. ठीक है, fx इज इक्वल टू एक्स क्यूब माइनस 3x स्क्वायर, एक्स क्यूब माइनस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 3x माइनस 100 प्लस 3x minus 100 minus 100 is increasing in R. Prove that. Okay, so prove that f is increasing on R, यानी everywhere. ऑन आर का मतलब रियल नंबर, यानी फुल रियल नंबर पे इंक्रीजिंग है. तो प्रूफ ऑफ दिस डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस फंक्शन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स. नाउ एफ डैश एक्स differentiate both sides with respect to x. Now this 3x square minus 3 2 जा 6, 6x and plus 3x का derivative and minus 0. Okay, this derivative we have to prove it is increasing. So say first 0 to find the disjoint interval. Okay, for decreasing increasing, for decreasing or increasing, decreasing oblique increasing. This. Okay, now this make factor, middle term, this 3 common, first 3 common, then x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this derivative, say 0, middle term splitting. Okay, 1 1 ja 1 and 1 plus 1 2, so minus 1 into minus 1, so plus 1, so then it is 3 will go that side, 0 side, then x square minus x plus 1, then this implies x common, it is x minus 1, then minus 1 common, then x minus 1. So here 2 factors. So this implies x minus 1 into x minus 1. दोनों सेम फैक्टर, say 0. So this implies x value 1, x is equal to 1, repeated root. तो x1 तो 1 पर 2 पार्ट बनाए, कहीं 1 है तो एक पार्ट बन गया दिस. Here 2 disjoint interval, 1 part here. Okay, now we have to check 2 disjoint interval. Disjoint interval, disjoint intervals are, एक तो बन गया आपका माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू 1, ओके, दूसरा हो गया 1 to इन्फिनिटी. Okay, you check here derivative. This is your derivative. Which derivative? This 3x square minus this, yani these two. This is derivative. So check here, if you are putting here value greater than 1 means 2, if you are putting 2 minus 1 पॉजिटिव, 2 minus 1 पॉजिटिव, पॉजिटिव इंटू पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव, तो यहाँ पर ये पॉजिटिव है। ओके, अब यहाँ मान लीजिए आप इसको लेस देन 1 पुट करते हैं, 0, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, minus 1 इंटू minus 1 प्लस 1, देन आल्सो पॉजिटिव, यहाँ भी ये पॉजिटिव है। ओके बेटा, दोनों में पॉजिटिव है, तो यू कैन चेक हेयर कि ऑन बोथ इंटरवल इट इज पॉजिटिव। यू कैन से एज f dash x, as f dash x is greater than, पॉजिटिव है बेटा, as greater than equal to 0 for every x belongs to 1 to infinity and from and on minus 1 minus infinity to 1, minus infinity to 1, minus infinity to 1 also positive, greater than 0. So this implies fx is increasing function. fx is increasing function fx is increasing function on whole real number. Okay beta, hence proved. डन। ओके, क्लियर दिस, बिकॉज ये होल स्क्वायर बन रहा है, x माइनस 1 होल स्क्वायर, ठीक है बेटा। तो होल स्क्वायर मीन्स x माइनस 1 होल स्क्वायर, इट इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव। मे बी x माइनस 1 इज पॉजिटिव, मे बी x माइनस 1 इज नेगेटिव, बिकॉज होल स्क्वायर है तो डेरिवेटिव इज परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है, इसलिए फॉर एवरी वैल्यू ऑफ x इट इज पॉजिटिव। ओके, हैंस इट ऑन रियल नंबर इट इज इंक्रीजिंग, मीन्स 0 पर भी है, ठीक है, पॉजिटिव दे रहा है। इफ x 0 पुट करते हैं तो 0 minus 1 होल स्क्वायर देन पॉजिटिव। ओके बेटा, नाउ लास्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 19। It is optional question. The interval in which y is equal to x square, function fx means y is equal to e power minus x into x square, e power minus x into x square, product rule. Okay, तो डेरिवेटिव बोथ साइड with respect to x, solution of this option questions are there, is there, what is option, ke is increasing interval given here, which given increasing on a part minus infinity to infinity and on all real number, b part b is given minus 2 to 0 C part 2 to infinity and D part 0 to 2. So we have to check which is correct option here for the increasing. So now differentiate with respect to x. तो here product rule in the derivative, x square का derivative 2x into e power minus x as it is plus derivative e power minus x e power minus x into minus 1 minus x का डेरिवेटिव चेन रूल and into x square as it is. Done. So this implies डेरिवेटिव क्या बन गया e पावर माइनस x कॉमन देन 2x माइनस x square. This say 0 and find interval say 0 for increasing decreasing. Okay, for increasing oblique decreasing. Okay, so then now so this it means each factor 0 e power minus x is 0. यहाँ से वैल्यू क्या आई x की, ये किसी पर भी 0 नहीं होगा. ओके, इट इज 1 अपॉन e पावर x इक्वल टू 0, नो वैल्यू ऑफ x, नो वैल्यू ऑफ x. नो वैल्यू ऑफ x. ओके, कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. सो यहाँ पर 2x माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 0, x कॉमन 2 माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल टू 0. तो यहाँ से एक वैल्यू आती है x इज इक्वल टू 0 और दूसरी वैल्यू x की कॉमा x इज इक्वल टू 2. These two value, so this imply two disjoint interval, two disjoint intervals. which one? 0 से एक तो माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू 0, 3 इंटरवल बनेंगे. 2 पॉइंट है तो 3 इंटरवल, 3 डिसजॉइंट. सेकेंड 0 to 2 and third 2 to infinity. Okay, now you check on which it is पॉजिटिव. ठीक है, डेरिवेटिव आपका ये है, इसको चेक करो कहाँ पॉजिटिव है. तो मैं चेक कर रहा हूँ. 0 to infinity मीन्स हेयर नेगेटिव वैल्यू. इफ नेगेटिव है कोई x की वैल्यू, x की वैल्यू नेगेटिव, ध्यान दे x नेगेटिव इन दिस इंटरवल माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू 0. तो नेगेटिव मीन्स नेगेटिव x है x इज नेगेटिव एंड नेगेटिव है तो पॉजिटिव हो गया, देन पॉजिटिव बन गया। x इज नेगेटिव तो नेगेटिव का स्क्वायर पॉजिटिव। मान लीजिए नेगेटिव आप -1 ले रहे हो तो -1 स्क्वायर 1, तो -1 एंड दिस -2, -1 एंड -2 इट इज नेगेटिव, ठीक है बेटा। तो इट इज नेगेटिव, इट इज पॉजिटिव देन नेगेटिव, सो ऑन दिस it is negative, so we have to say f dash x direct is less than 0, नेगेटिव है, ठीक है। इस पर किस पर, for every x belongs to -infinity to 0, कोई भी नेगेटिव वैल्यू x की लिया तो ये नेगेटिव बना। दोबारा चेक कर लो, नेगेटिव वैल्यू लिया हमने x की, x नेगेटिव का स्क्वायर पॉजिटिव 1 लिया, -1 लिया, -1 का स्क्वायर 1 तो इट इज़ -1 हो गया, और -2 तो नेगेटिव बन गया, एंड यहाँ माइनस किया तो ये पॉजिटिव बन गया, तो पॉजिटिव इंटू नेगेटिव नेगेटिव, तो लेस देन 0, ठीक है। ये आपका लेस देन 0 है। एंड f डैश x, अब इस इंटरवल 0 to 2 यानी 1 भरते हैं, तो 1 स्क्वायर 1 एंड 2 1 या 2, 2 -1 1, एंड यहाँ पर भी 1 भरा तो e पावर -1, तो e पावर -1 1 अपॉन e, इट इज़ पॉजिटिव 1 अपॉन e, एंड दिस इज पॉजिटिव देन इट इज़ पॉजिटिव, 1 पर पॉजिटिव आया, ध्यान दें 1 स्क्वायर 1, 2 1 या 2, 2 -1 1 पॉजिटिव, सो इस पर ये पॉजिटिव है। ग्रेटर देन 0 for every x belongs to 0 to 2, okay, then after that you have to check next interval also, if 2 to infinity यानी 3 लेते हैं, अब 3 स्क्वायर 9 and 3 2 जा 6, 6 -9 -3, it is negative, and here 3 e power -3 तो 1 upon e power 3 पॉजिटिव, तो पॉजिटिव एंड दिस नेगेटिव, तो नेगेटिव हो गया, ये नेगेटिव है यहाँ, तो इट इज़ लेस देन 0 for every f dash x is less than 0 for every x belongs to 2 to infinity। मैं ये पूरा सॉल्यूशन दे दिया, ठीक है। अदरवाइज डायरेक्ट चेक करके, डायरेक्ट ऑप्शन है तो कहाँ पे इंक्रीज 0 to 2, तो कौन सा बन गया आपका, डी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन, विच करेक्ट, डी, डन, डी करेक्ट। आंसर डन, इंक्रीजिंग interval, okay, like, share and subscribe, watch, like, share and subscribe the channel and send the video to the maximum contact and guide to them. They must send the videos and send the feedbacks in the comment box and subscribe the channel. Thank you.